Hello viewers, welcome to Maths with Excel, multiplication of many numbers. Example, 785 times 45 times 21 times 9 times 4 times 2. In Excel, you can do this in two ways. The first approach is like normal manual multiplication, and the second is the use of Excel special function called product. The result will be here for the first approach. The given numbers are in column head K. If I click on the first number, its address will appear in the name box, column K, row 2, and the number itself in the formula bar. In Excel, to begin any calculation, you help Excel to understand by entering the equality sign. So let's double click to see the cursor, then equality sign, you open a bracket, you type the first number, that is manual, but because it is Excel, if you click on the first number, its address will show, that is K2, times the next number, its address K3, times the next number, its address K4, times the next number, its address K5, times the next number, its address K6, times the next number, the last, its address K7. You close the bracket. From your keyboard, you touch the enter key to get the result, and that is 53,411,400. The second approach is the use of Excel special function. You begin also with the equality sign. Let's double click to have the cursor, equality sign. You simply type product from your keyboard. You open bracket, then you highlight all the numbers from M2 to M7. The numbers are in column head M. You close the bracket. To get your results, you touch the enter key from your keyboard and you have the same result. These are the two ways of multiplying many numbers in Excel. Pittacus Simplified Maths. If you get any value from this lesson, which I believe you did, subscribe or follow for more amazing lessons and updates in any of the platforms you are viewing from. Goodbye.